I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese potato using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients like potatoes, cheese, and your favorite seasonings. You'll want about 3 pounds of potatoes, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, and a few basic spices. Having everything ready before you start makes the cooking process much smoother and faster. Next, let's get those potatoes cooked. You can boil or steam about 3 pounds of russet or Yukon Gold potatoes until they are fork tender, which usually takes 12 to 15 minutes. Once cooked, drain them well and let them cool slightly. Then, cut them into half-inch pieces to ensure they cook evenly and mix well with the cheese sauce. Now for the delicious part, combining everything. In a large bowl, whisk together about 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sour cream, and a 10½ ounce can of condensed cream of chicken soup. Add 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, then gently fold in your cooked potato pieces and 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Stir until everything is well coated. Finally, transfer your cheesy potato mixture to a greased baking dish. Top with the remaining ½ cup of shredded cheddar cheese and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's golden and bubbly. Let it rest for 5 minutes before serving hot. This dish is perfect as a comforting side or a hearty main. And hey, if you're looking for more great deals or want to dive deeper into cooking, check the description below for links, including one to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.